I got this men's messenger bag for $49.99 off of Amazon. So let's open it up. This bag is 15.6 inches. This is the brown version of the bag. So it has leather straps, metal clips here. I bought this bag to use it on Spirit and Frontier Airlines because it counts as a personal item. So you can bring your laptops, books, tablet, any small items that you have without being charged a baggage fee. As you can see, the clips are just for show, as the magnets underneath is what attaches them. The magnet clips it. So let's open it up, unclip those, and check it out. It's got a nice sturdy feel. It's got 2 pockets in the front of the bag. So let's unzip it. Very nice bag. Here's the inside. There's a pocket in the front. You have a divider pocket here, so you can put your laptop on one side and your other things on the other side. And we have the strap in there. So here's the shoulder strap. It has some gel fresheners inside to keep the bag fresh. It has another zipper on the back. So let's open that up, look inside. Same look and feel on the back. Just attach the strap with these metal clips, just like so. There's a look at the bag with the strap attached. Also in the bag is the warranty and some care information. We can open up the Velcro strap in the bag here, and then let's insert our laptop. Okay, so this is a MacBook Pro. Gonna slide that in there. And then Velcro that back. And then zip it up. As you can see, the MacBook Pro fits in this bag as it's meant for 15.6-inch laptops. And then there's plenty of room for more. Actually, you can see here there's 2 pockets in the front. I'm gonna put the warranty in one of those. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and a comment below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.